Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to another video from the Education Hub. In this video, we will be learning about the blood vessels. The blood vessels can be defined as channels that carry blood throughout the body. Together, the heart vessels and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. The human body contains about 60,000 miles of blood vessels. The general function of blood vessels is to deliver blood to the organs and tissues in the body. The blood supplies them with the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. Blood vessels also carry waste products and carbon dioxide away from the organs and tissues. There are three types of blood vessels: artery, vein, and capillary. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. The veins return the blood back to the heart, and the capillaries permit exchange of materials within the tissues. Let's discuss about the arteries first. The arteries are pink in color and are situated within the muscles. Arteries vary in size depending on the part of body they are present in. Arteries branch into arterioles, which further branch into capillaries. Arteries have a narrow lumen which is absent of valve. The only artery carrying deoxygenated blood is the pulmonary artery, which carries blood from the heart to the lungs. The largest artery of the body is the aorta, which arises from the left ventricle. It divides and redivides into smaller branches called the arterioles. The arterioles finally break up into capillaries when they reach tissues. The aorta is approximately 23 micrometer in diameter. The arterioles are about 0.2 micrometer in diameter. The diameter of arteries range from 3 micrometers up to 10 micrometers. Now let's talk about the layers in the wall of arteries. The outermost layer is called tunica adventitia, the middle layer is called tunica media, and the inner layer is called tunica intima. Tunica adventitia is a white fibrous layer of connective tissues. It acts as a protective layer for the arteries. Tunica media is the thickest layer that is made up of elastic fibers. It consists of circular smooth muscles. The tunica intima also consists of elastic fibers. It is made up of simple squamous epithelium and areolar connective tissues. The arterioles are also responsible in bringing about vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Now let's talk about the veins. Veins are present not deeper in the muscles. They can be seen as blue vessels under the skin. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except for the pulmonary vein, which brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The largest veins in the body are the superior vena cava, which brings deoxygenated blood from head and upper region of the body, and the inferior vena cava, which brings deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body. Unlike artery, vein consists of a thinner wall and a larger lumen. The veins carry blood under very low pressure, which is not sufficient to take the blood to the heart. This is why they have valves which allow the flow of blood in one direction, which is towards the heart. It also helps to prevent the backflow of blood. The vein consists of the same three layers as the artery in the same sequence, but the composition of each layer is slightly different. Like tunica adventitia is composed of collagenous connective tissues. Tunica media is composed of thin layers of circularly arranged smooth muscle cells, collagen fibers, and a few sparsely distributed elastic fibers. Tunica intima is a smooth muscle consisting of endothelial cells and a thin layer of elastic fibers. Venules with a diameter of 40 to 50 micron are tubes composed of endothelial cells. They collect blood from the capillaries and transport it into the small veins. Now let's discuss about the capillaries. Most capillaries range from 7 to 9 micron in diameter. The diameter of capillary is little more than RBC, which is 7.5 micrometer. This decreases the blood flow in them and provides ample time for material exchange. Capillaries are approximately 1 millimeter long. Their wall is 1 cell thick and is highly permeable. These very thin walls of the capillaries allow the exchange of water, oxygen, dissolved nutrients, and waste products in between capillaries and the cells of the tissues. So this was it for today's video. I hope it was an informative one for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the Education Hub. See you in the next video lecture. Allah Hafiz.